Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Alright, hello there beauties, your girl Euniycemari here, and so today we're going to talk about how to be a hair minimalist and how being a hair minimalist can actually help you out a lot in your natural hair journey, number one. And number two, you'll be able to see more of the results from the products if you use them more consistently. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump right into this. Personally for me, I am a natural hair minimalist. I like to use one shampoo, one conditioner, one deep conditioner. I like just have one of everything, and then when I run out, when I go to the store, if I want to try something different, that's when I buy something different. It just makes it easier, like I said, for me to pinpoint what's working for my hair and what's not working for my hair, as well as giving things or giving products a full course to show me if they're really worth my money or not. The first thing we're going to get into is shampoo. So personally for me, I love Shea Moisture Hibiscus shampoo. Coconut hibiscus shampoo. That works for me. It does the job and cleanses my hair. It moisturizes my curls. Hands down, the only shampoo that I go in and I grab when I go to the store. Lately, you guys know I have been a Shea ambassador, so I do have other shampoos by them that actually I do really like. So I'm probably gonna jump back and forth between shampoos whenever I run out. I'll go buy the other one that I like, or you know, you guys get it, right? So I'll just be using one shampoo at a time. But pretty much I just like a shampoo that's sulfate free, that does the job at cleansing my hair once a week, okay? Number two is a conditioner. So you of course want to get a conditioner that works for you. I like Maui Moisture's conditioner. It works for me. They're very not loose. They're very liquidy. They have a lot of slip to them, so they're easy for me to detangle with, and they give me a quick moisture shot moving from shampooing into deep conditioner. So you want to get a conditioner or a middle conditioner that works for you. Pick one. I think Maui Moisture is a good one. They're really cheap and they just do the job. Then a deep conditioner. You want to make sure that you're getting a deep conditioner. I have a few deep conditioners that I like, but I only do one at a time. So I pick which one I'm going to use and I use it, or either if I have more than one in my rotation, like let's say, for example, I'm a Shea ambassador, so I have right now 3 deep conditioners in my bathroom, and it's hectic. I don't like having that many options, okay? But I can take those 3 and I can rotate them. You know, like let's say I'm about to be out of the Maui Moisture. For my next wash day, I'll use the Maui Moisture. You know, but just keeping, you know, less hair products in your bathroom or deep conditioners, it makes it easier for you not to drive yourself crazy. And it gets, like I said, you can see the results from products. It's a leave-in conditioner. So you want to make sure that you have a leave-in conditioner. Of course, something that is, you know, going to work for your hair, whether it be water-based or a little bit thicker than that. You want to make sure you are throwing in a leave-in conditioner. Right now, I have 3 leave-in conditioners that I have on hand and that I really like. Do I have 3 or only 2? Uh-oh. No, I have 2 on hand. But I have 3 leave-in conditioners that I actually really do like. Like 2 are by Shea Moisture and 1 is by Twisted Sisters. So right now, for example, it's hard for me because I have Twisted Sister and I have the leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture, and it's just hard trying to make a decision like which one do I use. Like that's why I just need one. Force me to use just one. But yeah, so you just need one leave-in conditioner, something that you put in your hair after you deep condition. Then you need a gel or some type of styler for the hair. You don't need 1,000,001 gels. Just pick one, try it out, see if it works for you. Same thing with edge control and stylers. You don't need a 1,000,001 edge controls and stylers. Like, you know, pick one. And also 2 natural ingredients. So raw materials, oils, essential oils. Those are really good because you can kind of stretch those. So you can make your own oils for your scalp, your own oils for your hair. Those can be a little bit more stretched out, and you don't have to buy those as often because a little bit of those go a long way. So with that, you can have, and they are multi-purpose, so you can use them for your body as well. But just having those in your stash can also help for you to fill in the gaps other places, you know. So just like if you're want a little bit more moisture for your deep conditioner, you can throw in a little bit of almond oil or jojoba oil or coconut oil, you know what I'm saying? So those are kind of multi-purpose uses for those, so that kind of helps out a lot. And also you have to have something like a clarifier. So you, for example, you guys know I like Dr. Bronner's tea tree soap. I like to use bentonite clay as a clarifier. So those are some things that you can use. Now you can buy a big thing of Dr. Bronner's. It's going to last you a very long time. A little bit of it goes a long way. Same thing with bentonite clay. You're going to get you a tub of that stuff. I still haven't made a dent in mine, and you're going to use it and it's going to last you a long time. Okay, especially if you're like a hardcore natural, like as in you like to use more natural products than the other commercial or chemical products. So if that's the case, then that works for you. If I'm odd, I just got like a random stomach ache, but I want to finish off this video. So if I'm a little off right now, I have just out of nowhere I got a stomach ache. I don't know what that's about, so we're gonna try to wrap this up. All right. Also too, if a product doesn't work for you, you can always return it. So my thing is this: I always tell people to give products some time to work. Use the product completely consistently and see if it works for you. The only reason I would say not to do that and to go back and return it or try something else is if it's hurting your hair more than you're seeing a result. So if you are random stomach ache. So if your hair is super duper dry, all of us, like if your hair is more dry after you use a shampoo, cut that. No, your hair shouldn't be straw dry after you shampoo your hair. That means there's something in there that just doesn't agree with your hair. You might want to take that back and buy something else. So in situations like that, you can always still keep from accumulating too many hair products by taking things back or giving them away, you know, and then going out and getting something else. But it's so tempting, I know, because you go into the store and you're like, oh, this shampoo and that shampoo, and oh, this deep conditioner is new and this one over here. But really, you just need to try one thing at a time and kind of rotate out. So that's the best thing that I would say. If you are in the store and you see something, you're like, oh, that's new, I really want to try it, but you have a deep conditioner at home that's full, don't buy it. Okay, wait till you finish that deep conditioner, then go out and buy that deep conditioner. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully this video was informative for anybody out there, minus me and my random stomach ache issue. If you guys have any questions about this, leave it down below, as well as I will leave information and links to everything down below. You guys can go and check that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this. I'm going to end this here, and I will talk to you guys in a later video. Bye.